Number 18, name the parent function and list the transformations. So the best thing to do is to list the transformations first, and then you'll see the parent function. So on 18a, something looks really weird here, and that is the random positive 2 at the beginning, right? So to help you understand or help you see something normal, you can move this positive 2 to the end, right? So if I move the positive 2 to the end, what do I have to write? Plus 2, right? Because you need a sign. You can't just write 2 at the end. So plus 2. Right, so the first transformation is reflect over x. That's this negative sign right here. What is the next transformation? Not yet. There's something before that. Vertical shrink, right? Like the 1/2. That's a vertical shrink by? Right, vertical shrink by 1/2. Remember, because you're shrinking, so you're going smaller. Vertical shrink by 1/2. Then what's the next transformation? Right 6, right. And the last one? Up 2, that's right. Okay, so now, wait, I wrote it in the wrong spot. Whoops, okay, anyways, yeah. So let me cross this out. Parent function, which is apparently PF. All right, so parent function, it's very easy to see what it is because now if you've highlighted everything right, whatever's left, that's your parent function, right? So if you see, if I were to cross out everything that I highlighted like this, negative sign gone, 1/2 gone, -6 gone, plus 2 gone, what is my parent function? Right, f of x equals log of x. And that is it. Let's do B though. Whoa, that one looks funny. All right, so B. What are my transformations on B in order? What's first? Vertical stretch by? Okay, that's right. What is next? The vertical stretch and, okay, so stretches and reflections, they can be either order, but they must come before the shifting. Okay? Is this reflect over the x?
It's the y.
It is the y. That is correct. Why is it the y? Because it's being applied to just x, you see. If it was a reflect over x, it would be at the very front over here. Remember? So that's going to be reflect over the y. And then left 5, that's right. Left 5 and then down 4, that's correct. So there's all your transformations. So what is your PF? F of x equals 3, what? What did you say, Caleb? 3 to the x, that's right. Because notice where you got to keep the x in there. So 3 to the x, that is your parent function. Even if you crossed everything out right, look, you would still have the x there. 3 to the x. That's 18.